everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is APLLY. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my coffee face scrub. This recipe only calls out for 2 ingredients, olive oil and coffee. I'm going to show you guys how to get this together. For the coffee, this recipe makes your skin nice and firm. Coffee is a great exfoliant. It has tons of antioxidants which helps fight aging. The olive oil is very nourishing to your skin, and it also helps to moisturize. So I did 2 tablespoons of coffee, and I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Okay, I'm going to mix this together. If your coffee grinds are very dry, you guys could always add a little more of the olive oil. But if not, I think this quantity is a pretty good amount for what we're trying to make here. Okay, so I'm going to apply it onto my face. We're going to put it on circular motion, but we have to make sure that we do not scrub very hard. Apply light pressure, so avoid the eye area, but you could apply it on your whole face, okay? So we're going to go... We're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes, and when you guys rinse it off, the water needs to be nice and warm, and we'll come back and show you the rest. So this is what it looks like, and at least it smells pretty good. But I'll be back very soon. We'll be back in 10 minutes, okay? Okay guys, so I washed my face, and honestly my skin feels very smooth. I like the fact that this face mask is for exfoliating your skin, and I think it does the job. I highly recommend it. But like with every face mask, I always finish off with icy in my face. So what I do, I just get a little piece of ice cube and I rub this all over my face, just like this. Make sure that do not leave it on one spot for too long. We're not trying to burn our skin here, but it's just do this and have something to dry off. And the last thing I do, I use this facial spray, which I love. And the last one, my moisturizer. I can't live without this moisturizer. Morning and night. And apply it. And it feels nice to apply this moisturizer after I see my skin. It just feels very soothing, and it feels like it brings the whole mask together. It's a nice finish. And let that dry out. And this is just, I do this face mask the same way. I always kind of change it up with this one and the yogurt one. I'm doing face masks at least 3 times a week. So I highly recommend that. Remember to moisturize, sunblock, drink tons of water. Our diet too, that also affects our skin. So make sure that whatever we're eating, not too much fast food and things like that, because believe me, it's gonna show in your skin, and we all want radiant skin. I hope you guys are enjoying this recipe, all my face masks, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. If you guys have any questions of where I purchase my items, let me know, and I'll get back to you guys. See you guys very soon. Thank you.